John had 1.5 meter of wire. He used some of it to form a shape as shown below. If B equals to 5, how much of the wire was not used to make the shape? Okay, so we know that in total he had 1.5 meter of wire and he used some of it to form this shape. And then the question is asking for how much of the wire was not used. So we have to add all this up together and we have to, so do you realize that they're all in cm? Which means that we have to convert this to cm first because the answer is in cm. Okay, so we have to add all of them up and then we have to take 1.5 meter minus all of them to find out how much of the wire was not used. And after that, we'll sub in the value of b equals to 5 to get the answer. Okay, so let's just get started. Let's add all of them up together. So the working will be, okay, total wire used, and then arrow, 2b plus 15 plus 2b plus 2b plus 10 plus 2b plus 2b plus 15. Okay, so let's recheck. 2b plus 15, 2b, 2b plus 10, 2b, 2b plus 15. Okay, so what will that give us? So let's add all the variables up together. 2b plus 2b plus 2b plus 2b plus 2b will give us 10b. Okay, 15 plus 10, 25. 25 plus 15, that will give us 40. So it's plus 40. So this is the total wire used. Now, we must then change this 1.5 meters. Because this is units conversion, you don't have to put arrow, you can just put equal sign. So 1.5 meters converting to cm, right? You have to multiply this by 100, remember? After that, this will give you 150 cm. So we have to take 150 minus 10b minus 40. Now, so how much of the wire was not used? Okay, alternatively easier, right? You can just immediately substitute b equals to 5 into this. Okay, so over here you say sub b equals to 5. Then you can write 10b plus 40 equals to 10 bracket 5 plus 40. And this will be 10 times 5 will be 50. Okay, plus 40 and give us 90. Which means that the total length of the wire used was 90 cm. So we just need to take 150 minus 90. So over here, just write our sentence. Length of wire left unused, arrow, 150 minus 90, and that will give us 60 cm. Okay, and therefore your answer will be 60. Okay, so remember, for parents who are teaching your kids, right, help them to see the logic in this question. Because some of the students, they will just go straight to the question. Most likely, it's actually quite likely, right, that the students may just add up all the variables up together, substitute the value of b, and just write down the answer, thinking that the question is asking for what is the total length of the wire used. But you have to alert them to the fact that, please underline this portion, how much of the wire was not used. Okay, you must bring them through this logic, because there are some students who will just go straight to it and then they will not even answer the question. Alright, so the answer will be 60 cm. And remember, write the sentence, write the arrow, and then do your working. And remember to convert the units, because some of the students will forget about the units and then they will give the wrong answer. So instead of taking 150 minus 90, they will take 1.5 minus 90. It's actually quite a common mistake. Alright, done.